Okay, I don't know why, but this helicopter's been hovering over our my house and all around this neighborhood today. I don't know what they're doing, but they sure fucking are wasting a lot of fuel. Even the fire department where they got the helicopter pad don't know what this helicopter's doing. So I'm gonna start filming it. There is a guy up there taking pictures. Don't know why. He's up in there taking video. Okay, now are they gonna continue this shit or what? Because this shit's fucking getting annoying. You know what I mean? Fucking kind of annoying to have a helicopter. I didn't even know it was a helicopter. I was taking a rest. I wasn't sure. It just has a weird sound to the blades, so. I have no fucking clue what these guys are doing. They've been here all morning fucking flying around. I have no fucking clue, and I can't I can't wait to find out that it's just some goddamn real estate fucking tycoon or some shit. I don't know. Just to know what they're doing would be good. Here they come again, right over my fucking, you know, basically right over my fucking house. You know? Can you see the guy up in there? I see the number up there, so I'll have to check into that later, but it's not a black helicopter, we can say that much. What the fuck are these guys doing? It's got a shitload of cameras on it. Well, if the fucking thing crashes, I'll have it on film. That'd be funny to find out it was just something really oddball, like, oh yeah, that was a porn star company trying to figure out where they're going to do their next porno. I don't know. Is this guy going to leave or what? I have no fucking clue. Maybe he's leaving now. Five, is he leaving now? Is he leaving now, Five? Huh? Is he leaving now, Five? Five doesn't like the helicopter. He proved it because when I came out here, he looked at it for a split second and went after this thing. He was like, fuck that helicopter. I was just trying to take a nap, and I was like, usually I can tell the sound of a helicopter, but that helicopter's got a weird, I don't know, silencer type effect. When it's right over you, you can't even hear that its blades turning. It's just a lot of wind. I don't know where he is now, but oh, there he is. Yeah, he's still flying around over here. I don't know what the fuck he's doing. This has been probably an hour and a half he's been up here with the fuel that he's got. So I don't know how he's able to do that. Don't think he refilled anywhere here. So if the fire department doesn't know who he is and the guy's got to refuel, that makes no sense. You know, that makes no sense. Because if obviously they're going to have to refuel somewhere or land or whatever. Now he's got his fucking blinking white light on for fucking who knows what goddamn reason. I mean, really, dude? Really? You fucking turned your fucking light on? What the fuck is with this helicopter? Oops. Oh well. I had it zoomed in. So I don't know what this fucking dude is doing, but who turns that fucking white light on in the broad daylight? I mean, you got to be a whack job ass helicopter pilot to put a fucking light on in broad daylight. A whack job helicopter pilot puts a light on in broad fucking daylight. Huh. I have no fucking clue. Damn, man. Usually when they do stuff like this, they're not up in the residential area if they're doing real estate stuff. I don't think, because there's really not hardly anything available out here. So I can't figure out why he's out here. And it is strange the fucking fire department doesn't even know. Get that. I don't know, man. I don't remember helicopters having to have their lights on in the broad daylight. He has a blinking fucking white light on and shit. I have no fucking clue what this guy's doing. It's driving me nuts. I mean, this was going on for an hour and a half before I got out of bed, so what the fuck? I was just resting, but so I said to myself, you better just capture it on film because it is a little weird. Looks like a commercial helicopter though. Has a number on it, so that's not too unusual. I mean, that's good. Fucking weird. Fucking weird. Let's go up on the porch, man. Let's go up on the porch, folks. Let's go up there on the porch, Five, and try to helicopter. Let's try to get a view of that fucking bitch up here, Five. Yeah, buddy. Let's see what this fucker's doing. Hold on. Gotta take this jacket off I've had on for a little bit. It's like the helicopter that don't need fuel. I don't know. I didn't realize there's so much blocked up, trees blocking my view up here, but there is. Alright, whatever. What's the fucking deal with this stupid fuck? What the fuck? There's some wind up there too, because he's having trouble stabilizing the helicopter. See what I mean? Hey, buddy. Well, I guess I'll stop filming for now and try to figure out what's going on. If he goes above my house again, I'm going to be pissed.